Good morning. Philippines, hello world. Okay naman pala yung buko kapag ibang wax yung ginamit, no? Okay naman pala siya. So yeah, good morning Philippines, hello world. I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. Personal stories of millennial government by living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. So kahapon, bilis mo kasi sir eh. Bilis mo kasi nagmaneho eh. So yeah. So kahapon, nag-report ako kay Ma'am Olga tungkol sa mga presentations, module presentations, and requests of ano mga request namin, request of equipment, request of office furnitures sa aming office IT, no? And also ba yung request namin, yung manpower, yung additional manpower na request na rin namin. So yun, napag-usapan namin ng boss Olga na the proposed presentations of the team for the traffic management and the business shall proceed, no? Yung sa accounting and OBR will be on 28th of June, and yung sa ambulant vendors and sa traffic will be on the 4th of July. So gawan ko daw ng proposal. Sure, gawan ko ng proposal today. Gawan ko ng proposal ngayon. And aside from that, I will be proposals, presentations. Yeah, I will continue my assignment sa Google Form, no? Para dun sa junior police application. Magkakaroon kasi sila ng screening. So yan, So ngayon naman, yun nga, gawa tayo ng proposal. After paggawa ng proposal, gawa tayo ng gagawin natin. I think wala naman na. Silipin na lang namin yung table doon sa may business hub. Hiramin muna namin para sa July 10 na launching ng office. So baka next week maglipat na kami ng gamit, diba? Ngayong week kasi loaded kami eh. Yan ang aking mga office assignments. On the other hand, no, last Sunday, meron nag-chat sa akin sa LinkedIn and sa Facebook from the LaSalle Computer Society, no? She is the project head of the Hacker Cup 2024. So yung chat niya, she asked me if I'm available to be one of their resource person on July 5 sa Hacker Cup nga. So before I said yes, let us meet virtually tomorrow or yesterday nung Monday. So hapon nag-meeting kami. So the talk will be 9 to 9:30. Sabi mo ng 9 to 10 kasi merong Q&A face to face sa Lasal. So yeah, it is about sustainable SDG, Sustainable Development Goals. I will be talking about the SDG and the design thinking process. So yeah. So ang gagawin ko ngayon, aside from my office jobs, gawa ko ng yung letter will be drafted by yours truly. Para lang naman yun sa ating sa ating ha? Bakit? Meron kasing, mainit kasi dun eh. Ganun ba? Oh, galing mo ah. Sige Marvin, sabi sa akin, pag kaya ka magpa-park dyan, pag may tumalansik na bato dyan, talsik sa kotse mo. So, sabi ko noon, mainit kasi eh. Kako, mainit. So anyway, yun nga, sinasabi ko, meron kasing invitation sa akin from the Lasal Computer Society to be one of their guest speakers. So I said yes. So, however, yung kanilang communication is a Thursday pa. Kailangan ko nang i-set ngayon yung service vehicle para maganda, di ba? So, mag-draft ako ng ginawa ko. Yun, ipapapirma ko kay Ma'am Olga for the meantime para maituloy lang yung service vehicle tsaka yung travel order. Hopefully, ma-approve. Yun naman kasi, I was chosen kasi as far as I'm concerned, OIC o PIC, person in charge of the ICT division, where I handle the deployment of modules, and at the same time hands-on din naman tayo sa ating system, no? And aside from that, sa mga programming and design sa mga systems, I am, as I always tell you na, part-time instructor tayo sa Wesleyan and sa Holy Cross, no? Wherein I teach ComSci, Computer Engineering, ECE, and yung mga design din, no? Emerging technologies, yan. Tinuturo natin yan. So, I think that my credential allows me to get invited for that talk. No? So, I will be integrating the design process that we did here in the local government unit, integrating with the quality of education. Yun ang gagawin nila ng hack. Yun ang ikakrack nila. Gagawin nila ng system to improve the quality of education here in the Philippines, solving one of the problems or helping the SDGs or the UN solve one of their achieve one of their goals, no? Number 4 goal is yung quality education. So yeah, I think that's good. Again, that's my activity today. I'm Oscar, this is Millennial Memo. See you again. Hindi ko pala nasabi. Today is June 25, 2024, araw ng Martes. Okay. Kaputi tayo. Okay, so see you. Bye.